Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox 12 volt max cordless dual random. It's a polisher and waxer for your car. Right, I bought it from Amazon. It's around $44. This is it. It's pretty heavy considering the price. Here's the accessories, the charger. This is the battery. Plus minus. I believe this is a good tool to clean your car. Pretty much detailing stuff. Let's see what's inside. It's pretty much packed. Three pads, three of these. Wow. Microfiber towel. Okay, so tape. We got a manual and foam. You just stick it in and use it, and it should hold it. I hope it's not gonna skip. So this is the perfect size. It's pretty good. I like it. All the way high. You can change like different modes and stuff. And I'll put a link on that video so you guys can buy it. 6 brushes. Wow, very cool. A lot of things. And I hope you guys have a good day. Next time I'll make a video about how to use that and how to how to clean your car with that one. It's good for a good paint job. A lot of stuff comes with it, different size. And take care, guys. Have a great day.